I run wall. Don't distract.
Don't push the button.
Gigi, don't even think about it.
Okay.
Jeez. That does look nice.
Does look pretty nice.
We can't.
We mustn't. We can't.
Mustn't. And now we will. This is bouncy time.
Wait, you missed a page. Try that one.
Okay. One little push.
Okay, one little push.
And now this is bouncy time.
A bunch of times? I think I'm going to push it one time.
Bouncy time.
Alright, that's not what the book says. Alright.
And now we will push it. This is one time. This is
Oh,
one.
you want me to push it? Okay.
Now that to me, this is bouncy times. Uh-oh. Then uh-oh. Take book, get our eyes out.
Shake the book. Get all the extra Larrys. Shake it.
Get our eyes arise. Oh, I missed page. Almost. What? Have they booked us? That was spelling the test. That's why I'm get him back normal.
Get him back to normal. Good job. Scratch his tummy.
See that kickers. This not just betting again.
Okay. Hang on, Maddie.
That does point back. He probably matches it.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. Couple more pushes. Good job.
Yeah.